Wait, wait, no, there you go. There you go. Peanut butter jelly. 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 Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat.
Them can't cool it down. That baseline is fire. Oh, them can't cool it down. That baseline is fire.
Hello, flower garden. So, alright. So, first of all, this is my first time eating for the day, and it is 6:41. Aha. That's the first point. Second, after I eat this. Oh, yeah, I don't know what I'm eating yet. Okay, let's skip that part. We're gonna come back. I have to dance at church because my most wonderful cousins have just come up with the most amazing excuses of how they cannot dance. So now I have to dance, okay? When was I tasked with this? Yesterday. Which means I need to figure out the dance today. Because Christmas Eve is tomorrow. How lovely. Anyways, before we get to that, I will be eating the infamous Popeyes chicken sandwich. And I got the spicy one. And it's my first time trying it. Hopefully it's good. Sauce is good. I think it's just mayonnaise though. Tastes good. Has a nice spice. I meant to say crunch, but the spice ain't nothing. I like spicy food, so but the spice is there. The crunch is nice.
We're back. I was eating, I biscuits a lot. Meals a day. I'm Owen. I'm her cousin, if you didn't know. CEO in the making, Circle Line Entertainment. You'll find out more about me in the future. We gotta work on this dance today because I didn't have an excuse.
Excuse.
I just felt as if it would be better if Crystal took the initiative to be the leading lady in this Christmas Eve service. Dance. So I'm gonna help her choreograph it though. See, so you see how I'm still helping the process. Make sure you stay in the flower garden. Follow us and everything we're doing. Follow me on Instagram at underscore lion of STRAT.
Oh, this sandwich is bomb. We get down to the pickles, and if you don't like pickles, bye. Stop watching the video. No, because this is what pickles are supposed to taste like. I need McDonald's pickles to taste like this. Oh, and this is like superior. This is elite. And McDonald's pickles are good until Popeyes put these in their sandwich. All right. So next up, a biscuit. I'm going to teach you guys how to properly eat a biscuit. Okay. So first, we are going to break it in half. We're going to apply some honey. You need honey.
You need honey.
You didn't eat it with no honey.
I don't need honey. They need honey.
Everybody needs honey. I don't think she do, bro. He didn't tag her.
Just in case you go viral. I mean, she's not.
Okay, y'all. So we're gonna start choreographing, and I think I have to mute the video just so I don't get copyrighted. So.
They do it in the gospel too.
What? Bow, bow. Boom, ba 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 boop, ba 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 ba. Wait, renegade, 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 renegade. Boom, boom, ah, do, do, ah, and ooh, woo. Bing, bang, boom, bang. This man is still laying on the ground, and it is 8:11. Christmas Eve is tomorrow. I think I'm gonna post this for you guys tomorrow as well. I also have a makeup video for you guys that was holiday inspired. Don't think it's gonna get posted in time for Christmas, but I'm gonna post it and like I should. I put them panties on and like on the brother and I don't know the lyrics. I showed him you was gang. Now I want to see what you got. What? I ain't sharp. I said why? Cause I been that girl.
Go.
Skip that part. We go hit the. Oh, you know what I remember the.
We're about to get the Prada shoes. Prada shoes. Yeah, get that stuff. Pretty free.
Oh, really? That's what it is? Okay, wait. I like this part, though, so let's go back to there.
This is the flower garden tree vlog Christmas episode. We're about to show you a dance lottery. Let's see if we can still remember it. Ready? 5, 6. Ooh, I'm sorry.
Don't turn it off because it's charging the boy. Done, Sibat.
Okay. How to flip it?
Oh, I flipped it?
Yeah, flip itself back. I don't know.
Is this full out? I'm assuming so.